Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Hbar price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We are also holding below a key area of resistance at around the $0.0639 mark, and also continue to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now fully maximized our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 2. And yesterday you can see that we had a massive dump to the lower side in a move that gave us a reset of the second wave and also gave us one more new low in the formation of this wave 2. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.0778 mark. And having seen the formation of that one to set up to the upside, I now believe that Hbar is now ready for a massive pump to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you my target areas in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video by giving you the minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3, assuming that Hbar is not going to give us one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2, by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0947 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Hbar to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of this wave 3. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that I'm keeping my eyes on. And the first one is that we need to get above the key area of resistance at around the $0.0639 mark, get a successful retest, continue gearing up, see a break above the other key area of resistance at around the $0.0689 mark, and also see a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot structure right here. And once that happens, then that will be confirming the impulsiveness in the formation of that wave 3, and also give us the high chances of fully maximizing our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios, and also giving you the long-term outlook here on the Hbar chart, where you can see that we peaked in the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1, which is right here after seeing a 5-wave structure to the upside. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now bottomed out within this yellow target area. And having seen the low for that second wave, whatever we expect next is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is also impulsive, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas, where you can see I have this Elliott wave structure in blue, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in this wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a micro Elliott wave count, which is the Elliott wave structure right here in red, which has just given me the short-term scenarios. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios here on the Hbar chart. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 38 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.